Today we're showing you a 2011 Kubota L3540 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA514 quick attach front loader. The tractor is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it has none of the DPF filtration or any of the exhaust filters on it. It is a completely pre-emission tractor, has just under 700 hours, and the tractor is a cream puff. It is an absolutely beautiful tractor. Has the LA514 quick attach loader again. The paint is excellent. Somebody really took excellent care of this tractor. It has the skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. The bucket itself does show paint fade. It's probably the worst thing in the tractor. You can see the top of the bucket is faded. The loader and the tractor does not show that same fade, so apparently that bucket sat outside and the tractor did not. Tires are good. Has the R4 tires on it. Has the hydrostatic transmission, treadle pedal. Obviously this is the Grand L series. This is not your cheap L series tractor. This is your Deluxe L series tractor. Has the 540 PTO, drawbar and top link are both there. Has the telescopic 3-point arms. If you're looking for a clean pre-emission tractor in this size range, this one is going to be hard to beat as far as cleanliness and condition. Very, very sharp tractor. It does have, again, the hydrostatic transmission. It has 3 ranges, then also a cruise control over here. Also has a hydrostatic response module here where you can set your response of your hydrostat. It's a really nice option. Has the auto throttle advance, which is also a really nice option, and then the power high-low right here, which is also a nice option. Most of these features are unique to Kubota, not quite all of these, but in this era, this time period, that was really, really hard to find with those type of options. And again, if you're in the market for a pre-emission, clean, low-hour tractor, this one's going to be hard to beat. 35 horsepower, 680 hours. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us on the web or give us a call.